How to download and install Optifine Minecraft Mod. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to download and install the application, first of all, you can directly go to your Play Store application and search for this application over here. So let's search for and then search for it. So here you can see the application over here. So all you have to do is just tap on the application and tap on download or install. As I've already installed it, you can directly tap on open, and on the home screen of this application you'll be able to see the first question it asks you is the age. So you can just select any of the age over here. It should be above 18 and then tap on next. And as you do that, it will start loading you to the user interface. So you can just tap on start, and here you can just see different steps that you have to tap on continue. So select the mode and then tap on continue and you'll be active over here. And it will start giving you the access to play the game. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.